cinnamon challenge today. I took a shower and used my cinnamon soap, so I think I'm ready. I'm ready to execute this. So I got my cinnamon. Gonna do a tablespoon. Okay, got my water. G, you okay? Oh my goodness. Are you okay for real?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Are you throwing up right now?
It's like, it's in my throat.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. We're not putting this on you.